Hi, and welcome to this brief introduction into Prospect CRM, how it works, and most importantly, how it integrates to Katana software. This is not a full product demonstration, it's just a short video showing why Prospect CRM is the only choice for B2B product-led businesses, and who of course have Katana as their inventory solution. So you'll first need a Katana account, and here's mine. You can then head over to prospectsoft.com and take a free trial of the CRM today. Doing this will start the two-way integration. And this will bring in key settings like currency and tax, full product file, pricing, stock, and key customer data, giving sales teams access to critical data usually inaccessible. However, the real power is in how it will then analyze your customer data to provide real, actionable insights for marketing, sales, and account management. This analysis is designed to maximize sales and increase customer lifetime value, whilst also enabling you to provide a first-class customer experience and get more customers. So let's jump into Prospect CRM and take a look at some of the key features we provide to help you do just that. On screen, you can see I'm on the account management dashboard, and it's already been pre-populated with data we've imported from Katana, getting you straight into the action even in your free trial process. Front and center, we have RFM analysis, which stands for recency, frequency, and monetary value. It is an industry standard reporting logic built into the CRM. And ultimately, it allows us to automatically categorize your customers into these predefined segments that you can see on the screen, allowing you to provide the right focus and at the right time across your customer base. Down here, we have our customer trends report, giving you an overview of customers increasing and decreasing revenue year on year. And probably most notable for wholesaler, distributor, and manufacturing businesses, where a lot of revenue is or should be provided by existing repeat ordering customers, we have missing order alerts. If I select See More, I get a full list of customers that should have ordered by now. We can see when they last placed an order and what their usual days between order is. And this is all driven by the buying patterns we glean from the Katana sales history that we're continuously importing and updating. This not only shows who we should be calling, but it also highlights customers who might be a churn risk early on. From here, I can also open a customer record, and I can see the usual CRM information like company details, activity feed, a place to store and manage contacts, sales opportunities to help you manage prospects to gain more customers, customer service problems, quotes and orders, and so on. Just to the right of the screen, we have the at a glance section with key details about the customer, all based on data from Katana. We have a summary tile which shows RFM and last order, and we have top level spend. If I click on the summary tile, it gives us a more in-depth view of this customer. We can see spend and buying trends by month and by order, and we can also see a breakdown of spend by top products. If I click on the See More, and from this report, if I select our Cheeky Cherry Jam product, I can also see the product information that we've imported from Katana, such as SKU, description, list price, cost price, and we also show the quantity available. All the customer and product data shown is updated regularly throughout the day from Katana, making sure you have real-time data to support all the analysis and sales tools available within Prospect CRM. And whilst the Katana data sharing helps sales and account management teams increase sales revenue as well as existing customer lifetime value, we of course have a wealth of other CRM features. Without going into too much detail, if I click on the Create menu, you can see all the usual CRM features and more. We can create contacts and companies, and you can even create a Katana account from within Prospect CRM for first-time buying customers. We have inquiry form and inquiry logger to help manage new sales inquiries, report builder to help you customize reports, sales opportunity and pipeline management to ensure you can maximize customer base growth, customer service ticketing, a quotation tool with the ability to create beautiful documents to send to customers and prospects. You can create sales orders and process these through to Katana without switching apps. And we even have marketing campaigns with integration to email marketing platforms to help you with top funnel lead generation. So with access to all this CRM and Katana data combined, you have a perfect 360-degree view of your customers and prospects. And we even have further dashboard reports to help you manage sales pipelines for generating new business. And probably saving the best till last, we have Magic Matrix. This pulls in product categories, which you can also define within Prospect CRM. And it highlights cross-sell opportunities within your existing customer base. If we just jump over to the Open Magic Matrix grid, here I can see all of the customers down the side and a list of the product categories across the top. In the middle, we have clear color coding showing who has bought a product from a specific category in green and who has not purchased from that category in red. Again, all possible with the integration, the sales history taken from Katana. You can even follow a build awareness workflow to start cross-sell and cross-pollination building campaigns and introducing opportunities within your customer base. More information on leveraging the Magic Matrix to increase sales can be found in our documentation and on our YouTube channel. So clearly, there's a lot more to uncover, and this short video has only scratched the surface. So if you have a Katana account or trial, head over to the integration page on prospectsoft.com to take a free trial. We can then take you through a full product demonstration using your real data in real time, showing you how to achieve the growth formula for getting more customers and increasing customer lifetime value using Prospect CRM, the #1 CRM for wholesale, distributor and manufacturing businesses. We look forward to working with you soon.